Hey planner people, it's your girl Erica. Erica Makes Plans. I'm going to do a plan with me using these stickers from one of the subscription kits from Oso Paper. The subscription does not exist anymore, and Danielle is no longer selling stickers on her website, so sorry you can't get these. This is going to be a plan with me for the week of January 16th through the 22nd in my A5 vertical columns Plum paper planner. So I've pulled off my sheets and I pulled out my wax paper, which is very useful for this Plum paper, which I know I keep mentioning it, but that paper is very thin. So, through the miracle of YouTube, I have magically pulled the stickers that I want to use, and here I am trying to decide what to do with them, and it looks like I'm making some clusters. Clusters are always fun. They break up kind of the monotony on the page and keeps it from being just so linear. And I mean, linear can be good too, but you want a little more visual interest, then the clusters are good. Okay, so I think I've decided where these are going to go. So I'm going to go ahead and adhere these stickers to the page. One thing I do love about these Oso paper stickers is that they're almost like a vinyl. So they actually come up, even on this Plum paper, they come up very easily. And I've grabbed this drip washi from Cookie Sticker Co., which again, no longer available. Sorry about that, y'all. And Cookie has apparently taken a break from selling washi on her site as well. So kind of a bummer, because those were two of my favorite shops, Oso Paper and Cookie Sticker Co. But my wallet is probably thankful. Okay, so I've decided to put drip all the way across the top. And I like the way that looks, almost like icicles. You know, kind of puts you in the mind of icicles. So I've grabbed the coordinating melanin washi. You probably can't see that, but it does say melanin. And I'm whiting out the lines. You can see through the washi, so the lines were kind of disconcerting. So I've gone ahead and whited those out. And I like the way that looks there. So now I'm going to add my habit trackers into the sidebar, and I think I decided that washi is not straight. I wanted to make sure that you can see the whole word melanin, because otherwise it looks crazy, because you're like, what does it say? First I put a little space between the washi and the habit trackers, and then I decided that I was going to put down some washi, some drip at the top. I was going to pull it all the way across to there, but then I decided, nope, just in the sidebar looked better. Here I am. I think I see something on the page. And so I'm kind of picking at it, trying to see if I can get it up. And then I just decided to use an eraser because, again, thin paper. So then I decided to use the melanin washi to anchor the bottom. I went ahead and put that all the way across. I decided to use drip instead of melanin. Make it easier on myself instead of trying to figure out where to cut those words. I'm terrible at putting down washi, so that's why it takes me forever to get that down. And then I put this down and I realized that the right hand side had more of a gap at the bottom than the left hand side. And I don't know if this is a quality control issue, and if it is, it's certainly not just Plum paper, because my mini happy planner that I used to, all of my mini happy planners, as a matter of fact, that I used to plan in, all had that same issue. So I kind of have to not use the line to line it up and kind of fake it so that it doesn't look off. But anyway, I wish they would fix that because it's annoying. And it may only be annoying to me, who knows, but it's annoying. Comment below if you have that same problem. So here I am putting together another cluster. And I decided to go ahead and grab this Today sticker and add it to my cluster on the left. And I like the way that looks. And here I am trying to decide what to put on this cluster. Lining it up with the column. Weekend banner. And the magic of YouTube. I think I took a break right there because my dog was bothering me. There. That is going to be my to-do list. I like those. I wouldn't call them big boxes, but I don't know. I guess they're supposed to be full box stickers, but I always use smaller planners, so they're never they're bigger than full box for me. I decided to put a little melanin washi on this side to kind of match the other side. Now that the sticker's straight, it makes me acutely aware that the washi is not, so I fixed that. And now I don't like that luge sticker. I don't know. Is that a luge? What is that? Bobsled? I think it's a bobsled. I don't like the bobsled sticker there, so I moved it. We record a podcast on Friday nights, some friends and I, and so that's what that sticker is for, to let me know that that is happening. And I decided to put the 2-woman bobsled sticker there on Wednesday to help make that box not look so lonely. And I was trying to decide which girl to put down, and I decided on the girl in the, I don't even know what color is that, like a periwinkle. It's not quite blue, but it's also not quite purple. So I don't know, kind of like a periwinkle maybe. But anyway, she is very stylish, and she has decided that she doesn't care how cold it is. She's going to have her legs out, which tells me she does not live around here, because when it gets cold around here, yeah, you ain't going to want your legs out. But oddly enough, it's been unseasonably warm here in southeast Michigan. Comment below and let me know if it's been unseasonably warm where you are as well, or what's the weather like? Is it weird this year, or is it just us? I grabbed this little box sticker because I want to anchor my trash day sticker, and I moved this around quite a bit to try to figure out where I want it. Then I grabbed my T-Mobile Tuesday sticker, and I add that as well. And I add a box sticker. Anyway, through the magic of YouTube, I've printed my sports watching schedule, and I put all my football and basketball games down on the page, and I'm showing you here where I changed a few things. I've added some dolls, smaller dolls, to fill in some space. And I've also added some snowflake stickers. Luckily, I found a Martin Luther King Jr. Day sticker from Happy Planner. So that's all I have, and I am out of here.